Hello everyone, I'm Rohit Patil and I have completed the Node.js backend developer challenge. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate the book CRUD APIs. But before that, I just wanted to let you know that I have developed this small application with using the Nest.js framework, in which I also added the Swagger documentation support. Okay, so let's start. Yes, here you can see the Swagger documentation UI. As I mentioned that I added the Swagger documentation support. And one more thing, I have added the authorization and authentication with using the API key. Yeah, so if you want to access this API without using the API key, it will not work actually. Okay, let's see. If I access the Gatebooks API without using the API key, yeah, it will giving me the unauthorized error and status code is 401. Okay, for access these APIs, we need to pass API key first. Okay. Okay, so let's create a new book. This is the create book APIs. Okay, now I'm hitting the API. Yeah, it is working fine. You can see the response of the API. In the database, you can see the new record has been added. Yeah. So second API is update book. You can update the any specific book with using the book ID. So let's suppose we are updating this book. We need to copy this book ID. Okay, I'm just updating the summary for this record for this book. Yeah, you can see in the database the summary is this is the test summary. Now I just add test summary here. Yeah, you can see the success response. The summary is updated. Yeah, the summary field is updated. The third one API is get book. We can fetch the get we can fetch the specific book with using the given book ID. So also we need to pass here book ID. I'm passing the book ID and will execute the API. Yeah, so this will return you the specific book ID. Okay. Now, if you want to delete some specific book, so we can delete this book, the that specific book with using the given book ID. Now here I'm passing the book ID. Yeah. If you see, this is the deleted. This is the delete response. And in the database, we can see there is only one data available right now. Yeah. Also one more thing, if you update like if you want to update the book with using the wrong id, so in that case you will give the error. So let's suppose I'm passing some wrong id and execute the api, it will give me the error not found error, status code is 404, and the message is like book not found by the given id. The same for when you fetch any specific book but you are passing the wrong book ID, it will also give you the 404 not found error. Message is like book not found by given book ID. Yeah, so last API is get all books. So it will list the all books. Okay, so I'm hitting this API and you can show inside the array there are like there will be multiple books are available. Yeah, but currently only one books are available, so that's why it is only returning the one record. Yeah, so that's it. And yes, I also hosted this application with using the EC2 instance on AWS. So I have also mentioned these steps in the readme like readme file, like how to I deploy this application with using EC2 instance. And yeah, so I have mentioned all these steps here in the readme file. Yeah, you can find, and yeah, you can see. So thank you all, thank you very much.